It was a really good performance. It's nice to get the result off a performance because I feel like that was lacking last week and the week before because we haven't been bad. It's just that the results haven't gone our way. And when we've come down now to South Wales against a very tough Barri team and to come away with 3 points, it is all credit to not just the starting 11, it's a squad. We've played a certain way and done certain things today to try and get a result, and it's paid off.
Andy, not the result you were looking for, not the performance either, I'm sure.
No, I don't think it was a great deal in the game. I think both sides were nip and tuck. Unfortunately for us, we switched off on one occasion with a long throw, and they've capitalised on it, and it's very difficult to score against them then because they put 10 men behind the ball. They're very direct, they're very strong. You've got to give them credit at the back. I thought they were outstanding, to be fair, the back three. But they're a very difficult team to play against. They're very strong. They're aggressive. They don't give you much space to play, and we found it difficult.
We did feel really deflated from last week because again we didn't believe it was a 4-1 defeat, and obviously not going through to the next round is really disappointing in the Welsh Cup. But we had to quickly wipe the slate clean on Tuesday when we trained, and the lads were brilliant the way they applied themselves, and they've got the rewards coming down South Wales here today.